So before I install this wig, I want to share with you guys how the inside of this wig looks and why I feel like this would be the perfect wig for beginners. So take a look at the side of this lace. If you've ever seen a lace frontal wig, normally you would get way more lace than this. But on this wig, the lace is limited. So you get about 1 inch of lace on the side and about 4 inches of lace in the front. Honestly, I think this is perfect for beginners because you don't have so much lace that you can mess up the wig. So you don't have to worry about plucking and bleaching a whole lot of lace. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on and show you guys exactly what the wig looks like on and how much parting space you truly get with this wig. So as I showed you guys a few minutes ago, even though you get lace from ear to ear, you have limited parting space in the middle. So this section right here, you can pretty much part your hair any way you would like. Now, when it comes to the side of this wig, like I stated, you only get about 1 to 2 inches of lace on the side to create baby hairs. Now, even though this wig does not come with a lot of lace like a regular lace frontal wig, the front of this wig comes with a pre-plucked hairline. And so I think this wig is definitely good for someone who just wants a clean wig install with no baby hairs or very, very little baby hairs. I also think this wig is good for someone who doesn't have, you know, the lace frontal skills when it comes to installing their wigs, because you basically can't mess this wig up, y'all. Like, the wig comes with a pre-plucked hairline. You get very little lace on the side, but you do have enough to do baby hairs. So yeah, I don't think you can mess this wig up. Also, let me talk about this color real quick. This color was colored by MyFirstWig. It kind of reminds me of like a cinnamon brown color. Super cute. So here I'm gonna just take out some of the baby hairs on the side so you guys can actually see how much lace you have if you did want to do baby hairs. So you definitely get enough lace. Like, this is not a problem. And honestly, like I said, for someone who wants to go with a natural clean look, this is definitely the wig to go for. Okay, so now that I have my baby hairs sectioned out, I'm going to go ahead and curl them. And honestly, this is a new technique that I have tried for the second time, and I love it. I've saw this little technique flying around on social media and just decided to try it on another video, and you know, I just kept doing it. So here I am just applying some gel just to make sure the hairline is smooth. And like I said, even though the lace is very limited on the side, look how nice the baby hairs swoop into the wig. Like, you cannot even tell me that this wig has limited lace. It looks like a regular lace frontal wig. Look at that. Now that everything is laid, melted, and flat, I am going to add some curls to this wig. I was going to do a straight look, but then I said, nah, I want to see how this wig looks with curls, especially with this color. Girl, yes, I am so glad I curled this wig because look at this. This is so pretty. I don't think it would have looked this good being straight, and y'all look how flat and smooth this hairline is. I'm telling y'all, this is definitely a wig for beginners. As you can see, this wig does not look like it had limited lace at all. The pre-plucked hairline and the nice lace on this wig is definitely what made this wig. And this is the look, y'all. I love the way this wig turned out. Like I said, even though it had limited parting space, it is showing all the way out. Make sure you check out that description bar, and also My First Wig is having a Black Friday sale, so don't forget.